Hello everyone, I'll be training all of you in how to access the employee self-service portal for RAMCO ERP. So each of you would receive a username password. Go on the link login.ramcoerp.com, click on customer login. Preferably use a Chrome browser or a Firefox browser, and Java plugin has to be loaded on the machine. So enter your username, password. So this is your ESS screen, but before you start, when you use it for the first time, click on the third option from the left, which is change password. Enter your old password and new password and click on set user password. So make sure you do this and write down your username and password so that you don't forget it. To close the screen, click on this red cross. Now the employee self-service portal though is very vast, but initially we'll be using it for 2 to 3 activities. The first activity being the leave management, and the second activity being accessing the payslip. So now let's see how to generate the payslip. So click on this arrow, go on other ESS activities, click on payslip. So that shows your employee code, your name, and in options select detailed payslip, select the date. So suppose you want the payslip of Feb, just select Feb first and make sure this 59 template is selected and click on print. Now once this is generated, you can click on the print button and print the payslip accordingly. You can just click here, you can print it and accordingly save it. So that's your payslip. So click on this to close. Again click on this red cross to close it. The second option you all have is to apply for leave. So again click on this arrow, go on leave management. You would see that whatever is in yellow is your current leave balance. So the leave balances are different for academic and non-academic staff. So if you are in non-academic staff, you might see a different number here, and if you're academic, you'll see a different number. So it shows casual leave is 9, balance is 8, it's 21, and sick leave is 9. Now suppose you want to apply for a leave on 4th of April, so enter the start date as 4th April and end date as 4th April. Or if you want 2 days leave, then you have to enter 4th and 5th. Duration is 2, that's 2 days. Reason is anything you could select and click on apply. So from this drop down you can also select whether it's a casual leave, earned leave, or in sick leave. There's a separate document with the leave policy specified by HR. So make sure you go through it to understand under what circumstances these can be used. So once you enter the necessary information, click on apply. So it takes some time for it to generate. So click OK. Now this leave, when you apply, it goes to your supervisor. Whoever you report to will see this application on his or her login. and also you can see all the recent leave requests you've done here in this section. And if you would like to edit anything, just click on this ID. You can withdraw it or you can revise it. So in case you want to revise it, like instead of 4th and 5th, you just want to take leave on 4th, change the duration to 1 because it's just 1 day, and click on revise. So once you're done, again go on request leave, click on this link. You will see that the from and the to date is changed from 5th to 4th, and out here it says applied for 2, balance is 7. So applied still doesn't mean that you've got the leave. Once your supervisor approves it, that's where the leave gets sanctioned. Also, when you click on the home button, it shows who's your supervisor, like who are you reporting to, who report to you, and who are your colleagues. So you can see view that information also. Alternately, you could just click on employee information to view it. There are two ways of doing it, either clicking on employee information or going on other ESS activities and clicking on view personal information. Personally, I prefer this option because it's much more easier to view and change your information in one screen itself. So you could go through you cannot change your employee code. So the only things you'll be able to change is your address and your date of birth, contact number, and so on. So in case you would want to edit anything, just click on this action edit, change anything you want, and scroll down and click on submit. So in case if it gives you an error like this, make sure on the employee code you just enter first and then make changes and then click on submit. So this will help HR to have your latest contact details, phone, mobile number. And now you could just click on this cross button. So that's it. It's quite simple to use for everyone, and we would be sharing with you in future if there are certain more additions to the ESS portal, like updation of section 80 items like your income tax information, your HRA, house rent allowance information, and so on. So our engineers would provide you the necessary training when we activate that option. Thank you.